Alright, welcome to today's video. So we are still continuing the 1994 biology question. Now we are now in number 49. Which of the following is not a conservable natural resources? Option A, water. Option B, sunlight. Option C, forest. Option D, soil. Option E, minerals. Option A, water. We can create reservoirs so that we can conserve the water that we have. Sunlight, no, we cannot conserve sunlight. It's not a natural resource that we can conserve, though we can have solar panels using solar to create electricity, but in the sense of conserving natural resources is not applicable. Option C, forests. Of course, we can have forest reserves where we preserve, when we prohibit deforestation. Soil, yes, we can conserve soil, we can conserve minerals. So the one that is not a conservable natural resources is the sunlight. So let's go to option 50, number 50. Which of the following plant diseases is indicated when grain of cereals are covered with a mass of spores? That is, when we have spores in cereals or in grains of cereals. So the disease is smut. The disease is what? It is smut. So the answer here is what? Option A. So please take note. We have cassava mosaic, we have all those mosaic, all those disease, we have rust, we have all those things. Let's go to number 51. Which of the following structural features in animals does not affect control of body temperature? That is, of course, the skin, it helps in controlling body temperature by secreting of sweat, though it is not the one secreting sweat, but the sweat glands that is beneath the skin, it helps in controlling body temperature, hereby secreting sweat. And once sweat is secreted, the evaporation of those sweat is causes cooling of the skin. So that is, it helps in controlling body temperature. Of course, fur, when you see animals, you see here in their body, those fur, they are not for decoration, they are to control their body temperature. And also capillaries, also it helps in, that is the capillaries, it helps in controlling body temperature. Feathers in birds, just like animals have fur, some animals have fur, some birds also have feathers. These feathers also, it helps them to control their body temperature. But the one that does not apply or affect control of body temperature is the scales. So that's just it. Let's go to another question. So number 52, the control of water. The control of water and source requirements of the body in order to maintain a stable internal environment is known as, that's question 52. So the process whereby we maintain a stable internal environment is called homeostasis. So homeostasis is like maintaining a stable internal environment. We are trying to have balance. So homeostasis is the basis, is it facilitates balance in the body. It helps to maintain a stable internal environment. So our answer is homeostasis. It's not ultrafiltration. Of course, ultrafiltration, it occurs in the kidney. So plasmolysis, that's outward movement of water from a cell. When a cell is placed in hypertonic solution, excretion, removal of waste products, osmosis, you know that's movement of water molecules from their region of lower solute concentration to region of higher solute concentration, so through a selective permeable membrane. So our answer is option E. So which of the following is not condition necessary for germination to occur in most seeds? So we have condition for germination, and what is the condition for germination? We have viability of the seeds, viability of seed, temperature is there, we have activation of enzymes, they are also there, we have the air also must be present, we have water, that also is there. But soil fertility is not part of the, you'll be surprised that if the soil is not fertile, the seed will not germinate. No. so it's not part of the condition necessary for germination to occur. So in most seeds, so our answer is option E. So which of the following structural features adapt Drosera to a carnivorous mode of nutrition? When we are talking of carnivorous plants, there are the plants like pitcher plants, Drosera, sundew, all those plants. They are the plants that they will engulf insects. They are also called insectivorous organisms. So once the insects like land on their surface like this, they are going to close. Some of them will close. Some of them they have structures different from this one. And once they close, they are going to digest those insects. Once they digest it, they are going to use that insect in production of nutrition from them. So they are insectivorous, or you can call them carnivorous plants. So one of the, for Drosera, that is sundew, one of the structural adaptation it has is that it has broad, or it has club-shaped glandular hairs on leaves. That is, it has a club-shaped glandular hairs on leaves. So this one, it helps to grab the organism, so that the organism will not, that is the insects, will not be able to escape, whereby trapping it. So that's number 54. Let's stop the video here. We are going to continue the video in the next video. Okay, let me try to do one more before we call it a day. Let me try to do one more. So the question states, which of the following terms is not associated with fingerprint? Actually, we have types of fingerprints. We have arc, we have loop, we have wall, we have compound. So these are types of fingerprints rather. So the ones that is not associated with microscope is suture. So that's for today's video. If you have gained something thus far in today's video, I will urge you to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.